In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Assassin's Creed Mirage on PC. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this costume reskin mod. All these skins are available. You can decide what to install. Select the manual download option in Author's Reskin. Select slow download option. And check my video description for this Forger patch manager. This is required. Select the manual download option and select the download option and it will start downloading. Once download done, select this folder icon, right click on the Forger utility and select WinRAR and select extract to. Drag and drop this extracted folder to documents and open the Forger utility. Open the forger.exe. Select OK and select locate option and navigate to the game folder and select the acmirage.exe and select open option. And now just go back to downloads. Right click on the mod we downloaded and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, copy these two files and then right click on the game and select open file location. You can able to see Forger patches folder after installing the Forger mod manager. Right click on the blank area in Forger patches folder and paste the files we copied. Select the rescan in Forger and the mod will be appear. If doesn't, then just close and reopen the Forger. Go to documents and Forger utility forger.exe, and as you can see the mod as listed here all are outfit guys. You need to check my video description. This mod has lots of outfits in images. Choose the outfit you like to use. I'm gonna install this red and black. Easy to show you guys. Black and red. Check the outfit you like to use. Only one. And now this mod replace other outfit with the black and red. Just minimize this and launch the game. We have successfully installed the mod. Once you are in game, press the M key and open the inventory. Go to costume. Select this alter costume and the default white costume changed to red and black. I'll show you guys. So as you can see, the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.